Yes, there's the start for my project. Have a tunnel. I gotta play for my babies. So it will snow again. So at least it will be covered again. Oh yeah, I'm poof for shoveling the heavy snow. We can make a snowman. Alright. So Bobby, she's scratching the snow. Come on. Come here now. Go. He likes the plant flower grass. Come here now, baby. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go inside. It's cold now. It's a wet snow this time. It's gonna rain. Oh well. Let's be thankful. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks. What's in there? That's all one thing Mama can shovel. Wait for Matthew and Louie to do those. In the driveway, down to the road. Okay, let's go inside. Yay! Yeah, I'll put away the shovels. Good job. Bye-bye.